I'm Dr. Bruce Hubbard. I'm a cognitive behavioral psychologist, and I have tinnitus. When my tinnitus first started 20 years ago, I thought my life was over. For 6 months, I was completely hijacked by the sound. I was like a zombie, going through the motions of living. But once I understood how to promote habituation, I was able to move on and completely get my life back. The miracle of habituation allows me to have tinnitus and not care. I rarely think about it, and when I do, I forget about it quickly. So here I am now, in the middle of the forest. It's the dead of winter. It's completely quiet. And until talking about it just now, I haven't heard my tinnitus. One of my worst fears, my greatest level of despair, came from I would never be able to have one of my peak experiences, which is being out in the middle of the forest and just experiencing the sounds of silence and the sounds of the forest. Keeping a recovery habituation perspective, the cognitive part of cognitive behavior therapy, I was able to get out on my first hike. And I came here to this park. And it was a challenge. I did it with some anxiety, I have to say. It was not easy. I used mindfulness of sound. Along the way, I stopped where I could and just paused and practiced reconnecting mindfully in an accepting, non-judgmental manner with my tinnitus. And gradually, as I continued my hike, there were stretches of time where I forgot I had tinnitus. I didn't even hear it. And I was just completely absorbed with the beauty of the forest around me. This sound is not important. What's important is my life. And I became committed to getting back to my life, to redeveloping a life worth living, a life worth getting out of bed for, even while hearing tinnitus.